Jack, look! My spoon can fly!
No, it cannot. Mine flies better. Watch.
Everybody, we are having a family talent show tonight.
What is a talent show, Mom?
You do something special on stage. Everyone watches.
Like a show? For the family?
Yes, exactly like that.
Yes, let's do it. I am ready right now.
I will sing. That is my talent.
I will do a magic trick.
Cindy is coming. She will be our judge.
Here are the rules. 1. Everyone performs. 2. Be kind. 3. Try your best.
And the prize is this.
We all do our best. That is the real prize.
The stage goes there. Yes, perfect.
Yes, I found them. The fairy lights.
La 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 la! Eek! Oh no, that was very bad. La la la, oh. That was a little better.
1, 2, 3. Now. It worked. It is gone. I am a real magician. Wait, where did it go? It is really gone. Come on, come on. Ah, there you are.
Oh, it is beautiful. Beautiful. The stage is ready.
What is that sound? What is Dad doing?
Shh, I want to hear too. Move over.
Hey, stop pushing!
Everything is fine. Do not come in. I am fine.
Anna, can I sit with you?
Mom, what if my voice is bad?
Brave means doing it, even when you are scared. Cindy says she is on her way. The show begins soon.
La la la. I forgot the words again. Okay, from the start, I can do this.
I need a better trick. This one, the scarf trick. Yes, yes, yes. And now the scarf disappeared. I cannot see. This is not right. Ow, I found the wall.
Is everyone okay out there?
Cindy, can you come early? Things are very lively. Hello, I brought flowers for the show. Cindy, you are here. Come in, come in. Oh my goodness. Is everyone ready? Anna, your voice is beautiful. Just breathe with me.
And the coin is gone.
I am impressed. That was very good, Jack.
You go first. You are the magician.
No, you go first. Singers go first.
I will flip a coin. Call it, Jack.
Heads!
It is heads. You choose your position.
I will go second.
1 hour to showtime. Everyone get ready now.
I am ready to judge. This will be wonderful.
Welcome to the first Brown Family Talent Show.
Yeah! Woo, let's go! Come on! Wonderful! This is wonderful!
Please welcome our first performer, Anna.
Yeah, that's my girl. Beautiful.
Okay, you are Jack the Magnificent. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Jack the Magnificent.
Both hands completely empty. And now watch carefully. And now I catch it. Oh no.
And I made it disappear into her hair. Thank you. Good night.
And now, our very last performer of the evening. The one, the only Brown.
Hello, family.
Dad, what are you wearing?
Watch.
Whoa.
I practiced for 1 month. For you.
I did not know you could do that.
I have feedback for everyone. Good feedback. Anna, your voice grew stronger with every single line. Jack, making people laugh is a real talent. I mean that.
I knew it. I always knew it.
Brown, I was not ready. You were incredible.
Thank you, Cindy. I have been practicing for a long time.
And now the award.
For Best Voice of the Night, this is for you, Anna.
For Best Comedy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And for Most Surprising Performer Ever, this is for you.
Thank you.
Everyone together, move in, smile. Everyone smile. 3, 2, 1. Every one of you was brave today.
Anna, you were scared today, but you did it anyway.
Yes.
That is the real talent.